Welcome to Personal Finance, a course designed to equip you with essential knowledge and practical skills to make informed financial decisions throughout your life. Whether you're preparing to budget your income, invest for the future, or plan for retirement, this course provides the foundation for long-term financial success. The course consists of 9 comprehensive lectures, each focusing on a key component of personal financial management. Here is an overview of the topics and what you will learn in each. Lecture 1, Making a Financial Plan, introduces the basics of personal financial planning, goal setting, and cash flow management. Students learn how to create and implement a financial plan tailored to individual needs and long-term objectives. Lecture 2, Budgeting and Savings-Oriented Cash Management, focuses on building and maintaining a personal budget, understanding expenses, and prioritizing savings. Students explore strategies such as the 50-30-20 rule and learn how to manage liquidity effectively. Lecture 3, Taxes for Individuals, covers the fundamentals of individual income taxation, including deductions, credits, and tax brackets. Students learn to read tax forms, understand filing procedures, and use tax planning to improve financial outcomes. Lecture 4, Credit Usage, Loans, and Credit Legislation, explains responsible credit management, loan structures, and interest calculations. The lecture also introduces major consumer protection laws and helps students understand their rights and responsibilities as borrowers. Lecture 5, Home Mortgages and Renting, examines financial considerations of home ownership versus renting. Students learn about mortgage types, interest rate structures, and how to evaluate affordability in housing as an investment decision. Lecture 6, Risk Management and Insurance, introduces risk management principles and explores how insurance products such as health, life, property, and auto mitigate personal financial risks. Students learn to evaluate policy options and coverage needs. Lecture 7, Investment Concepts, covers the fundamentals of investing, including risk and return, diversification, and compounding. Students are introduced to major asset classes like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs, and learn how to construct a balanced portfolio. Lecture 8, Investing with Mutual Funds, IRA, 401 and 403, focuses on investment strategies using mutual funds and retirement accounts. Students examine the tax advantages of IRAs, 401s, and 403s, and understand how employer contributions and fund selection influence long-term returns. 9. Retirement Planning provides an overview of retirement planning, including income estimation, Social Security, withdrawal strategies, and portfolio management during retirement. Students learn to design retirement plans aligned with financial goals and risk tolerance. Throughout the course, you will develop a personalized approach to managing your finances, from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. By mastering these principles, you will be better prepared to make confident financial decisions and build long-term financial independence. Thank you for your interest in this course. See you at the individual lectures.